tea towel.
Have you got any of these right?
Shut up. Do all the zips work and stuff?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm back with Nicholas again. We're going to be filming another video for you guys. This time, Nick's going to be guessing the price of my bikinis/swimsuits. And you're going to guess cheap or expensive.
Is that it?
And then how much they
Oh,
are.
okay.
But to me, expensive is over £20. So,
Okay.
cheap under 20, expensive over 20. Okay. And but then you have to try and put a price on it. You ready?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to go get a bikini on. Go.
That's not a bikini.
I said bikini or swim costume.
Okay. Can I feel it?
You can feel it.
Feels cheap.
Ah! You bumhole.
It's got some good elasticity on it.
Yeah?
I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, I don't know.
Okay, cheap or expensive?
Cheap.
Cheap.
So,
Okay.
less than £20.
Yeah?
I'd say $9.99.
Okay, the correct answer is this one. I don't have a clue.
Well, this is a pointless game then, isn't it?
This is the one.
This game doesn't make any sense then.
No, this is the one swimming costume where I couldn't find the price of it.
So why wear it?
But it was cheap. But it was cheap, so I'll give you the point
2
for
points.
cheap.
That looks a bit more premium. Or does it? Can I feel it?
You can feel it without smashing me. Just do a nice little
Don't
tap.
need to feel it then. I don't know. It's the same material as the last one, just different colours. It makes no sense. Okay, there's less of it, so I'm going to say it's cheaper. Where's it from?
I can't tell you that.
I'd say it's more expensive.
Okay.
Okay.
No, so you're saying it's an expensive bikini or more
No,
expensive than the
no.
last
I'm
one?
still saying it's cheap.
It's still cheap.
Still under 20 quid.
Okay.
I'm talking 15.
£6.69.
Told ya.
Yeah, but you got it wrong.
Told ya.
I said within £5.
2 points.
No, 1 point. Cheap, you got.
1.5?
No, 1 point.
Why are you running?
This bikini.
Are you even wearing it?
Yes!
Oh, that's premium.
That's premium.
Do all the zips work and stuff?
Nicholas.
You do realise that if you're wearing stuff like that, people are just going to go,
No, they're not.
no, that looks quite nice actually. It feels a bit more better quality. I'd say above 20.
Okay, so you're saying
I'm
expensive.
just dazzled by the colours. It's the colours. Some of the colour makes me think it's more expensive. It's hard for me to think a bikini's worth more than 20 quid. There's nothing. I'd say it's 20.
20.
Is that still cheap?
So are you saying cheap or expensive? You're saying cheap.
But like £20.
Okay.
High end cheap.
Now this one was bought in separate pieces.
Don't care.
The bottoms
Yeah.
were £85.
Shut up. Shut up. Are you joking?
And the top was 100. So
Sarah, am I missing something?
Nick! So £185.
That's. Are you messing? Where from?
Asos. The brand is Sky and Staghorn.
Never heard of it. They should be ashamed of themselves. Return it. Who's paying that much for that? I mean, it's nice, don't get me wrong. I said it was expensive, didn't I?
No, you said
I said expensive. I don't ever be the same. Take time. You bought something like this before? Off eBay. That looks more expensive than the last one.
It's very small.
Is it? What's the material feel like? Oh, that's...
Ow! Ow, none of that.
I think it's more expensive
Okay,
than 20 quid.
okay. So
I'm
expensive, but what price?
I'm saying 25 to 30 pounds. English
Okay.
pound, that is.
This was £7.21.
Well, that last one's thrown me off. How many more have you got? How many bikinis do you want? You best be returning that one for 100 million quid, whatever it is.
Okay, go.
Like it.
You like it?
It's a bit mad, that. Material feels. I say that's an expensive one.
Yeah?
I'd say it's an expensive one, yeah. I don't know, maybe like 50 quid.
50 was 8. Have you got any of these right?
No, what, the first one, yeah? How can someone charge 180 quid for something that is almost identical? That's sound like an old man. Back in my day.
Pretty sure you can see my nipples. Go.
Move your hands. Yeah, you can. What is this? Have you used one of our tea towels?
No, it's soft. It's nice.
You're not getting in the sea with that.
Put this here to cover up my nipular area.
This is based purely off because the last two being cheap. I'm gonna go expensive.
Okay.
That's how I'm guessing that.
Why?
Because you can't guess based off what they give you. If I'm gonna go off what it looks like and feels like, you can get tea to make that of a tea towel. So what it should be 50p? How much is a tea towel? 50p? Maybe 3 tea towels, £1.50 it should be. But I'm gonna say it's more like 30 or 40 quid.
You're gonna go 30, 40?
Yeah.
It was 110.
No, what am I thinking? I said expensive, didn't I?
Yeah, but you got the price wrong.
I'll go for like 80. How much was it?
110. You're still wrong.
That's crazy. What brand's that?
I don't know.
They should be ashamed of themselves right there. Making
Think so?
bikinis out of tea towels and charging 110 quid. That's cheap.
Okay,
I'm
why?
getting it because of my thread's coming out for one.
Well, maybe I just wore it too many times.
That.
Nick! That really hurts!
Sorry.
You're so cruel!
I can't help myself.
That hurts.
This doesn't seem like it fits very well.
Maybe it's just...
No, it's cheap. It's cheap. This is kind of like not flush. That's probably like, that's not even a tenner.
3 pence short of £10.
What, told you?
£9.97.
It still looks good though if it was like a bit better quality. I like it.
Yeah.
That's nice that. Why don't you like it?
I do like it, I just don't feel
But what's
super
the
confident
difference
in it.
between that and the
I got
others?
a wedgie. Nick! Stop!
Okay, it fits well. This is what I'm starting to learn. It fits well. Material's the same. It's tougher.
Cheap or expensive?
I think it's over 20 quid.
Okay.
But I've got no idea how much it'd be. I don't know. £35.
50.
Ooh, we're getting better.
Nick, for goodness sakes! What is wrong? You're so annoying!
Let's have a look.
You're so annoying! You're the worst. I'm gonna kick you in the face.
Bloody hell! Feeling it. I'm just feeling it. No, it feels good. It looks good as well, I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think that's expensive as well. I'd say that fits well, looks good. I'd say that's about the 50 quid mark. The other one was 50 quid.
The other one was £50.
That's it.
So you think this is about the same as the other?
Close to it, yeah.
This was £9.49.
What's the rules? What's the rules then? Doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up for me if you did, and let me know down in the comments if you want to see another video with Nicholas.
Leave it there.
And we shall see you soon. Bye.
See ya.